The in-orbit Chinese astronauts of the Shenzhou 15 crew have completed the installation, commissioning, and first imaging test of the country's self-developed two-photon microscope and successfully obtained the in vivo two-photon microscopic images of taikonauts' face and forearm skin. Zhang Lu is using the device to capture the in vivo two-photon microscopic images of Fei Juanlong's forearm skin in orbit. With a resolution reaching the sub-micron level, the microscope on the space station can clearly show the three-dimensional distribution of the taikonauts' skin structure and their cells and features the ability to perform non-invasive microscopic imaging of the structures and components of the outer layer of skin. Taikonauts can observe the three-dimensional structures of the skin layers, including the stratum corneum, the stratum granulosum, the stratum spinosum, the stratum baale, and the superficial dermis on the screen in real time. The success of the in-orbit verification experiments offers not only new methods for in-orbit health monitoring of taikonauts, but also vital technical means for China to carry out in-orbit brain science research in the future.